And why do we think that lawyers with knowledge of international business laws would have a very bright career ahead? Why is this something that will work for people? Because, as we said, there are very few people who have this expertise, and the market is growing rapidly. It's not a place where you can have competition from senior people who have been there since generations. These people will say that always people who are there in the field since ages take the cake. This is not something where you have people who are there since 15 years, 20 years, or things like that. Okay, because this is relatively new trend that you are going global fast. Okay, and if you are able to gain the skills, then you will be able to make the mark. You're not really competing against people who are there since 20 years. And this is where the money is coming. So you are seeing that there were 34 unicorn startups in India in 2020. This is expected to grow to 50, and that is like NASCOPs or tech startups. Okay, and these entities are using investor money to expand. So when they grow in size, then they will need people who are in-house lawyers with expertise. Okay, and they will be willing to spend also. Okay, so this is the world discovered the ultimate power of working completely online, and this is what it's a profile we really want to show you. Imagine that you can be advising a US startup on their UAE entry while sitting in India, and it looks impossible to you. Here is a profile that actually does that. Okay, we had invited Kenneth in our last webinar, and he is a person who kind of works like an outsourced in-house counsel to many entities who want to set up in UAE. So this is possible for Kenneth. Is in Kerala right now. He's working from a town in Kerala, and he's actually advising companies which are based in which want to enter into or which want to set up in UAE. So just think of this. This is the opportunity that's possible for you. This is what is possible. People are doing that. It looks like impossible, but people are doing this.
And at a pretty young age,
Yeah,
relatively new law school, no specific this, just sheer on the basis of talent. That's it.
yeah. So that is Kenneth. And what is the work that you can do? You can work as a freelancer, you can work as an associate, you can work as an in-house legal counsel. So what do you do? Freelancing, what will you be doing in this work? So you will be supporting the Indian entities to make a market entry in other jurisdiction, or you will be helping foreign law firms or startups through paralegal work. Okay. This is what you will be doing as a freelancing opportunity. And they abound because of the ability to get to work and get things done remotely. Okay. So we already discussed this. So these can be availed, and this is really important. You can avail of freelancing or paralegal opportunities even as law students or really young lawyers, because like in this situation you're not actually going out to the court and being present before the court. People will say that I need a license to work in that jurisdiction. For paralegal work, you don't, because you're not going to actually present before the court. You're going to support people who are presenting before the court, or you're going to support startups which are in that domain. So you can do this even as a law student because it is paralegal work. Okay. So this is some profiles that we can actually show you. These are the people who are providing this kind of services. Okay. So this is like for a lawyer who is providing this service. I will register your company in Dubai free zone, 100% foreign owned. Okay. Or here, develop a go to market strategy for your For your startup, I will develop a go-to-market strategy. Okay? These are the people who are kind of providing these services.